Hi guys, this is a quick video on how to download this free WysiWyg template. This is for WysiWyg 20. I'm sorry about the microphone, it broke just before this video started, so here we go. This is what it looks like. You can edit it yourself and put whatever you'd like in there to change it to requirements. It is fully responsive. WysiWyg has done a good job of responsiveness, but it does need a little tweak here and there to make it fit perfectly in proportions. There we go. Right, so first off, jump over to my website, and all the links will be on the bottom of this video. Where is it? Is it that one? Yep. And you can grab it there. All the instructions are here, so all you do is basically double click the gym WS file after the download. So you'll go here to download the file. Just click the free download and it will do it with a couple of adverts. But I won't do it because I've already downloaded it, and you should get this file, which is, you should get a zip file, which is here. That's the zip file, and inside that zip file is a folder. Make sure these two are in that folder, else it doesn't load them up, the pictures get messed up. And then you double click on this file here. Whenever it loads, my computer's a bit slow today. Probably because it's getting a bit warm, as you can see. It'll be in here like this. So the breakpoints default is 970. It should automatically do it, but if it doesn't, this is the ones you need. You need 19 and 20. Because it looks a bit funny without that on big monitors, and 768, which is tablet size, 480, which is some mobiles, but 320 is the default ones for mobiles. For some reason, I don't know why. And then it's like that, and then all you do is edit it the way you want it to be for your requirements. Just click on whatever you'd like on here, and it'll open up like this, and then you can double click, and then do bits and bobs there. Anyway, that's one. That's a free thing. And I'll be doing loads more templates. So if you want free templates, free WordPress templates, they'll all be on my channel soon. So do subscribe, because it does help me out. And drop a comment if you'd like this. I'll show you a few other ones I'm working on. Sorry, I've got loads open here. I'm trying to figure out where they are. Okay, this one was done on. This is a WysiWyg one as well. I could do a tutorial on this one, and if you'd like it. This is just one that I did for an accountant, and again, it's fully responsive. So yeah, it's all fully responsive, and it works pretty much how you'd expect it to. That's that one. That's back to that one. So this one I'm working on in a minute. This is a WordPress one, and I'll also be doing WordPress themes and stuff as well. So, and tutorials eventually when I get around to doing it. But this is what this one looks like. My internet is absolutely rubbish upstairs. I'm having to use my son's room, which isn't fun. Anyway, this is this one. If it loads, come on, should do. There we go. And yeah, that's again fully responsive. That's what I'm working on at the minute. This doesn't line up properly. Does it line up? Kinda. I might have to put that on the top. Anyway, this is Elementor. Okay, I can show you how it responds to stretching the screen. Anyway, there we go. So, yes, drop me a like, drop me a follow, all that business. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.